What is primate taxonomy? Imagine trying to organize a huge family reunion with relatives from all over the world. That's similar to what scientists do with primates through primate taxonomy. It's the system used to classify and organize primates, which include lemurs, monkeys, apes, and humans. This system helps us understand how these different species are related and how they evolved over time. Primate taxonomy starts at the broadest level with the kingdom Animalia, which includes all animals. Then it moves to the phylum Chordata, which includes animals with a spinal cord. Next is the class Mammalia, or mammals, which are warm-blooded animals with hair and milk-producing glands. Within mammals, primates from their own order called primates. This order is identified by features like forward-facing eyes for better depth perception, grasping hands with opposable thumbs, larger brains relative to body size, and complex social behaviors. Within the order Primates, scientists divide primates into two main groups called suborders. The first is called strepsirrhines, often called wet-nosed primates. This group includes lemurs, lorises, and galagos. They tend to relying more on their sense of smell, have longer snouts, and possess a moist nose called a rhinarium. They also have more primitive traits compared to other primates. The second suborder is haplorhines, or dry-nosed primates. This group includes tarsiers, monkeys, apes, and humans. They usually have shorter faces, relying more on their vision than smell, and have more complex brain structures. This group contains the great apes and humans, showing that humans are more closely related to these primates than to lemurs or lorises. Scientists classify primates further into families, genera, and species. They use detailed physical features, genetic data, and behaviors to do this. Modern taxonomy aims to group species based on their common ancestors, called clades, rather than just physical similarities. For example, humans are classified in the family Hominidae, which also includes chimpanzees, gorillas, and orangutans. This reflects shared ancestry, not just outward traits. From an anthropological point of view, primate taxonomy is key to understanding human evolution. It helps researchers trace how our ancestors changed over millions of years. By studying anatomy, genetics, and behavior, scientists learn how humans develop traits like advanced thinking, walking upright, and complex social lives. Primate taxonomy also helps us understand how different species have adapted to their environments. It reveals common traits and differences among primates, showing how they evolved in response to their surroundings. This system of classification connects us to our primate relatives and shows our place in the natural world.